Hi guys, it's Garrulous Wandering here again. Excuse my cats over here. So I just finished reading WordPress for Dummies for about 20 minutes, and a few things I learned is I learned the difference between a blog and a website. Is that a blog is when you post something new and it's posted chronologically, whereas a website is a bunch of static pages that can be edited and augmented. Now, according to this, the nice thing about WordPress is that if you create a blog on WordPress, you can actually take it and put it into a website if you decide to do one later. Very interesting. That's actually good to know because I was thinking about building a website sometime in the future. Who knows when that'll happen, but that's a useful thing to know. Another one is that they talk about how when you have a blog and you reference another blog, there's a ping that gets sent, and that ping lets them know that your blog, in particular, said something about them, and so that lets people know who's reading what in terms of their blog. So that's also useful to know because that lets you know that people can see, you can see who's looking at your stuff and whatever. I kind of already knew that one, but it's good to know the sort of the idea behind it in writing. And then the other one, the last one I thought was interesting, is actually a history tidbit. So nothing, nothing too big. Actually, doesn't have much to do with blogging, but they said that open source software. Some historians argue that it was started by a company called Netscape in 1983. So I thought that was interesting. I don't know much about open source software myself, other than the idea that anybody can have it at any time. But I thought that was interesting. Well, so fun little history tidbit for you. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to read some on phonetics and grammar, and then I'll let you guys know what I learned.